Create an elegant updo with secure and discreet Magic-Grip hairpins. Start by gathering the top section of your hair, combing it back with your fingers. Pinch the section into position and secure with Magic-Grip Hairpin. To see a detailed tutorial on how to secure a half updo, see the card above. Gently pinch and pull on the secured section to create volume. Then gather the remainder of your hair into a low ponytail and twist the section together and upwards, laying flat against your head. Hold into position with one hand and secure with a Magic-Grip hairpin. Place the legs of the pin on the edge of the twist. Flip, catching some of the scalp hair, and gently push into the hair securing the twist. Repeat with as many hairpins along the edge of the twist as you need. Uncoil the ends of the hair to lay freely at the crown of the hairstyle. You can gently tug and pull on the sides of the hair to create soft volume. An elegant hairstyle that is quick, easy and secure for all-day comfort thanks to Magic-Grip Hairpins.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.